what's your name?
Me, Jacob.
Yeah,
Miss-
Jacob?
Yeah.
And this is your truck, right?
Yeah.
How long have
You
you
put on my shirt.
It's okay. Yeah. How long have you had this truck?
I just had that red one.
Did you just get it?
Yeah.
Can you tell me all about how it works?
Okay.
Wow, it goes backwards. And what else? It goes forwards. What's this?
That's the radio.
A radio? Does
Yeah.
it work? What can you do with it? Can you talk into it?
Yeah. Not working.
You can't show me how the dump truck works? How the dump box works, James. Get out and show her. Can you get out and show me how? Oh, there you go. Wow. And how about your horns? What kind of truck is this?
Mack.
It's a Mack truck. Do you like Mack trucks?
Yeah.
You have a few of them at home, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? And there are some here, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color of truck?
My red.
Red trucks?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jacob. Can I shake your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All right. Bye, Jacob. Bye.